So I'm off to meet Sophie. We're gonna have like a little Christmassy day out. So I think we're going ice skating at the National History Museum, and then we have like a meeting at Too Faced. So we're gonna go there after. But yeah, we just thought we'd have a little day out together. So I thought it would be fun to bring you along with me. So I got to the ice skating rink and I'm now with Sophie.
It's raining.
So nice compared to me. I look like chubby. My face.
Do not say
My
that.
face is just so round.
You look so lovely.
I look like a little hamster. But we're gonna go ice skating. However, it's like slipping it down with rain.
It's bad.
I'm not sure if you can see. Probably can't. But yeah. So I'm not sure how it's gonna go, and our hair's probably gonna get ruined, and we're probably gonna fall over.
I have a beanie. I'm actually fully tempted to tuck all my hair into my beanie and just skate around looking bold.
Yeah, good shout.
Swimming cap
But
vibes.
yes, I will video when I'm on the ice.
Yeah, good luck with that.
Are you excited to go ice skating?
I need to show what these people are.
We're on the ice skating rink.
Yeah.
We're just taking pictures, but we're now going to go round a few times. Hopefully we won't fall over.
Hopefully we might.
We've got our little hats on, we're nice and cosy.
So cosy, it's so cute here.
I know, let me show you.
It's really nice.
Look how cute. You have the Christmas tree and the National History Museum.
I feel like it would be a really nice place to come at night and like go for like drinks.
Oh my god, yeah.
Maybe not too many drinks before you skate, but it is really cute here, isn't it?
I feel like we need boyfriends to come here though. Like we're on like a little couple date.
Double
It's
day.
Really cute.
There's loads of couples here.
I know there actually is, but we're our own
Skating
couple.
around holding hands.
I know. Yeah. Let's have a go. Right. Hopefully we won't fall over. Come in. Could you imagine if I dropped this and it broke? I would not be having fun. Actually is. Oh my god, look at her go! Like, can she not leave me behind? I'm trying to keep up. I'm not the best though. Like, look at her, all the way over there. Doesn't care where I am. All that thing about holding hands, she's forgotten about that, hasn't she? She's gone off and done her own thing.
I'm ready. Oh! I'm ready!
Ice skating has finished. I'm not sure where Sophie's gone. I think she's out there. See her? There she is. Over there. In a little brown teddy coat. But yeah, we are now off to Carnaby Street to go to the Too Faced store. So I will bring you along with me there. I think we're just going to go tube. But yeah, oh, the sun's gone really bright. I can't really see. Okay, so I'm in the Too Faced store now with Sophie. Hello! We're having a look around. We've got some little goodie bags as well.
There is so much stuff in here. I've never realised how much stuff Too Faced has.
I know, because we've only really been to like the little...
Yeah, like the concession.
Yeah, in like Debenhams and Selfridges. We haven't been to like the actual store, and they have so much stuff.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's such a nice store. You have to come.
I'll show you some of the pieces. So like all of this, like I've never seen before, like in any of online or any of the stores, and this all smells amazing. It's all like watermelon.
Look at these shadows, literally. That is unreal.
Actually is. And then we have all of these as well. All like the concealers up here, which I love the concealers. And then the foundations, more concealer, powder. Are you having fun?
Red it is. So much fun. Very warm.
Yeah.
We've just been ice skating, haven't we? So hence the hat, because it was tipping it down with rain, and I was like, once I put this hat on, there's no going back. So now I can't take my hat off because my hair's crazy.
Yeah. Okay, so we are at Deals now. We're getting some like late lunch. Here Sophie is. We have little goodie bags from Too Faced.
I'm literally so excited.
In here we have a little, oh there's like tissue that I've used. but we have the hangover primer and then also the hangover spray, which I've tried both and love. But yeah, this is the menu. I think we're gonna go for the burger, if this focuses, there we go, and the pancakes, and we're gonna split them and have half each because we can't decide what we want. And we've also got drinks, which is very nice. So we've now built a little tower for the camera so we can video ourselves eating. Hello. Having lunch slash dinner. Yeah. Pancakes, very good. Love them. Burger, very good.
It's actually so good. I'm going to say again. It's really nice.
And then we got chips as well. And then we're going to swap in a minute. So I'm now in the Topshop changing room. Sophie has left me. She had to go get her train, but I'm meeting my friend at 6 in like Oxford Street, and I think we're going to dinner or something. So yeah, I'm just basically shopping around. I've already got this blouse, to be honest. I just wanted to come in here and talk to you because I'm too scared to vlog in public, so I thought I'd come in the changing rooms and do it instead. But yeah, I changed my outfit. I don't know why, I was just bored, and the other outfit was like, the jumper was a bit itchy, so I decided to change into this, which is jeans, Topshop, little like roll neck, which is Zara, coat is Primark, and then just my little bag, and then Primark trainers. And I've got my massive suitcase as well, because I meant to shoot with Sophie, but we didn't have time in the end, so we both bought our suitcases full of clothes for no reason. So yeah, fun. But I'll take you along with me for dinner with my friend. She just moved to London from Glasgow. She used to be like my neighbour, we like grew up together, but then she moved away, but we always like kept in contact anyway. But yeah, she's now moved back, so I'm gonna go meet up with her. So I'm currently in Zizi's. I've just had dinner. I'm with Robbie. Say hi. Yeah, it's the first day of her little internship today, so we've gone out for dinner. But yeah, it was really good. I got garlic bread because I had like the burger earlier, and I wasn't that hungry, but yeah. So I'm back home now, and I've changed into like some comfy, cozy clothes because it's so cold out, like I'm not even joking. But something very exciting came today, got delivered. This is our Christmas tree. How pretty does it look? We got all the little lights on it. It's a real Christmas tree. It was delivered by Fantastic Services. The company is called, and they basically deliver real Christmas trees in the kind of London area straight to your house. So yeah, I will put a link to their website down below in case you're looking for a Christmas tree. Then you can maybe order one from there, and then also I do have like a £10 off voucher, I think, something like that. So I'll put a code on the screen, but it will be linked down below anyway. All of the other decorations we have in our house, there's me. My mum's very like Christmassy and festive, and also she's a childminder, so yeah, we go all out for Christmas. There's just some toys from the childminding kids. We have like Christmas pillows, more Christmas pillows, Christmas sacks. They're just new look parcels which have just arrived. We have all of the Elves on the Shelves. We have this up here, this is the little winter wonderland. We have the penguins, and this is little like Jesus's, I don't know, cabin thing where he was born or whatever. And we have like things hanging from the lights. We have stars. We go into the kitchen. We have Christmas things on the back of the chairs. We have Christmas things on the windows. Out in the garden we have lights. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.